It's the flu season now, and many people are going to be getting a pretty bad cold or the flu or some kind of upper respiratory issue, upper respiratory infection. And I wanted to share with you a concoction that I use that works like a charm. It works to boost the immune system so that our bodies can heal itself of these respiratory issues. And it's 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder, 2 ounces of raw apple cider vinegar. I use Walmart brand, but Bragg's makes it and Heinz makes it, and some others. 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey, and 1 lime or lemon squeezed. 1/4 cup of hot water. Add everything together, mix, and drink twice daily as a tea. And this home remedy, medicine, concoction as I call it, works like a charm. Certainly, if you have the flu, a bad cold, and some kind of upper respiratory infection, um, along with taking this medicine, you need to rest. So if you can take some time off from work, it will be real good if you could just sleep for 12 or 24 hours if you could, so that your body can heal itself. So I know this works. It works like a charm. Even I've taken it when nothing else works, and this just kind of root that infection out of my body. I had a friend who 2 years ago was out of work for about 2 weeks and just could not fight, could not shake this flu or this upper respiratory infection. And I gave him this recipe, and within 24 hours, he was feeling so much better. He was able to return to work. So I know it will help you. Okay, take care and God bless till we meet again.